Hello, what's going on? I am back. It's been about 10 days when I actually what is my thing checked on? What? Okay. That was on me positive, it was the controller. So it's been about 10 days or something like that, 11, I don't remember. But yes, I'm back. There was been a whole bunch of distractions, so that's why everything was kind of whatever. Oh, sorry, I don't have clank. Yeah, clank. Welcome back to the game. In case you, oh my gosh. Hopefully no one's disturbed us. Originally it was like my dad was here too. Oh shit. My dad was here and I don't like to do some people around because it just gets annoying. At some point I might be doing a co-op with one of my other friends. Well, one of my friends. This game is loud for me. What a sack of shit. Fuck you. What's that? I'm hot as hell. You know it's supposed to be fall fucking weather. Fuck off. That shit. Fall into the slime. Damn, I missed. But yes, it is the fall. Come on, man. It's like hot weather right now. We've been having a whole bunch of rain, so it might be the humidity or whatever. Oh, holy shit. What the fuck? Whoa. There we go. So that's why it's been hot here, as far as I know. I like the rain, but I just wish it was cold. I mean, spring and summer are supposed to be the two cool weathers, while summer's supposed to be hottest and the winter's supposed to be the coldest. I don't know. It makes no sense to me, it never will. So fuck you. I should be using that. Wow. What was that thing doing? Like bugs die like all the same. To die like Kurt Cobain, I guess. I don't fucking know. I wish I had a shotgun. So any of my other friends, one I'm not gonna be doing the co-op with, Shayla or Naita, whatever you look on my channel, you see like his channel on it as a person to go to. I don't know which channel I have on it, but I know one of them has him. And it says something about like checking out, it's like go channels I recommend or something like that. I'm just gonna jump to you because I'm lazy. But yeah, you can go check out him if you want. I don't know, again, I don't know, remember which one has a bunch of things. I guess it's the right way, so fuck it. And you owned it. Chopper ammo. Get to the chopper. I saw it somewhere. Where? Yo, okay, I believe don't get near me. And dead. Okay. Whoa. That was shiny. Let's see. I don't really remember what the hell I was doing. I know I'm still in the first area, so I'm not far into the game. Fuck off. But yeah. Break that, and break that. Can I have another chopper? Yup. Holy god damn it. Hello. Yeah. Huh? Not really. Alright. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. So that was my papa. That's if I only got to eat, and I don't really want to leave. Because I fucking started this. I'm not leaving yet. Nor will I leave today. I'm not really a big fan of going out to eat a place. I'd rather just have it here, so that way I can watch stuff I like, since store restaurants never seem to have anything that you might like. Unless you're a sports fan, then usually sports or news-related shit. Which in both cases, I'm not either, so that's something. But if I had to guess, probably not going to be, kind of wish he'd bring back food, but I know he won't. But he's going to Clover's, or I think it's Clover's. Oh god! Oh shit. I'm pretty sure it's not Clover. Or Clover. Ha! I ain't gonna turn up now there's a cutscene.
Welcome. If everyone could take their seats, we can proceed with today's demonstration. First, I'll need a volunteer. Anyone? Excellent. Your name, sir?
Ratchet.
And there you have it. the Megacorp tractor beam in action. Let's give it up for our volunteer. Sir, how about taking advantage of our show special? Thank you, sir. You won't be disappointed.
The tractor beam moves small and medium-sized objects which have glowing orange targets like these. Press circle to move those columns so you can scale the cliff.
Okay, so now we have tractor beam, which is like the last item you get here. So, in order to complete this puzzle, if you even count it as a puzzle, is that. Grab that, put that about there. Ah, no. No, God damn it, ratchet. Yeah, asshole. Am I missing one? I guess not. I don't know, I felt like I was missing a piece. Oh, crap. But yes, I didn't want to go out to E because I don't like to, like I said, I don't like to go to places where I can't, like, watch something I like to watch. I'm not big in conversation either. What's good, most conversations are with people who don't really have much interest with me. Like, unless I'm with my friends, then it's like, okay, sure. But when it's with, like, other people who are not my age, which was basically what it was, there's, like, really nothing to talk about. Kind of like, oh, cool. Yeah, I'm fine. Let's leave. Basically, that's basically how it is for me. I just don't like staying places so long. Also, hot! It is hot in my fucking room. Oh my god. This is bullshit. I'm just gonna turn this up because who knows what the fuck's gonna happen. Okay, that is very loud. Fucking hell. Meanwhile, Megalopolis. This is a cute robot. May I help you?
I said.
Damn, that's loud. Ah! Haha. Okay, no. I don't think so. That is. Oh, it's fucking. Okay. So in this game, the creators decided to be very annoying and put in this a lot. I think by the end of the game, you should at least done maybe 5,000 of these. I swear to God, I hate this place. I hate doing this thing because you can die easily, and usually it takes a while before you can get your ship upgraded before you can start doing shit. Okay, you need to get the fuck out of my face. So it's only been about 2 months since I've actually done this. It's the control. Yeah, the controls are worse. God damn it. Wow, that is wild. Oh, God damn it. Ow! Ow! Stop it! Leave me alone! If you have... leave me alone! God damn it, man. Fuck off!
Veritanium can be traded for ship upgrades.
Yeah, it doesn't help you much yet. Okay, that was the fucking asshole. Leave me alone. And there's like more than one way, so that's why I got you. Fucking little bitch. Hey, how do you like that, huh? And they don't drop health, really. Which is that's what annoys me. They drop Veritanium. Which is something I don't want. I want health. Okay, asshole, stop fucking shooting me. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Yeah, I'm not joking. I really don't like this. This is my least favorite thing in this game. You don't get upgrades. Oh my god, they do too much damage. Holy shit. Oh my god. If the thing would give you health, if they would give you health more often, I would like this. But you don't. Stop moving. Look at that. Oh my god. No, time to fly away. Time to fly away like a little horse. Okay, you do. Okay. So I knew you get weapons. I didn't remember if it was this or this thing. Or I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Oh god. And you can easily die in this. That's what I don't like. I'm out of power. Oh shit. No. That sucks. See, my health is already dead. Because this game's a dick and will not give me health when I need health. I don't know where these enemies are. Okay, there's 3 ships left. Where? I don't know. Where the hell is this enemy? No! Shit! If anything, I really wish the shield would regenerate. But no, you gotta find ship stuff too, which really annoys me. Basically, I just have a lot of complaints about this game I don't like. When it comes to this fucking... No! Shit! Nothing. Okay, so if you die, you have to start this entire thing over. So that's something I don't like also. Where is he? It's only wave 1, 2. There's like 2 waves or something like that. And there's... Oh my god. Oh my god, no! 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 I don't want to die. Fuck off. See, don't like this minigame. I really hated this idea they did. They could have at least made it, like I said, make shields regenerate or health will come out more often, but this is ridiculous. I'm just gonna, oh, great. See, wave 1 again. It's fucking hateful. I hate this minigame. It may sound like I'm complaining because I am. I really despise this. If I could, I would cheat the game out of this. Like, I really want to have infinite health ship because I don't like this minigame. I would get rid of it, you know, once I got my ship upgraded, but, douche. Ah. Because they can always seem to hit me. Leave me alone. How are you on my ass? Okay, so I have a little more shield than I did last time. Ow. Oh, shit. Ow. Stop shooting me. You don't see me shooting you! Okay. So I've already destroyed about 7 out of like 20 guys. Fuck all of you. Oh my god. Ah. Oh crap, they already destroyed my shield to stuff. See, they, like I said, they rarely give you stuff, so I'm not a big fan of this. Oh my god, I got shield. Oh my god, I got another shield. What the fuck was this the first time around, huh? What's health? I need health. I'd rather much you like if you guys give me health. There's a way to turn around. Well, I mean, like something that isn't bad. You stop being a bastard. Okay, there's 1 left. I don't know where, and I just want to kill you. Okay, so we're live. After 13 minutes, I'm still only in pain. Okay, this is stupid. Like I said, I don't like this minigame. I will keep complaining each time I go to this place. And there's more than 1, I'll tell you that much right now. Oh! Oh, that was worth it. Stop moving! Okay, move. Time to go at height. Oh! Shit. Also, if it's obvious, meteors are 1-hit KO, get some. Full blink on. There's a pirate you get later, though, that you... Bitch! Where are you? Stop doing that. Stop shooting me randomly. They can come from everywhere. Ah! God, can I not wait until I get something better than this? First thing you ever want to upgrade is Interior Hole. No matter what they say, no matter what anyone tells you, fuck them. I'm right.
Enemy fighter is defeated. Proceeding to the next zone.
Fuck you. Oh. My head hurts. If I remember correctly, once you leave this place, you got to do it again, which is fantastic because you don't get that stupid upgrade till half the game. Right? There's no fucking cutscene. I'll be back in a minute.